I'm here in the car with my cousins, Bella and Kiara. We're eating seaweed. And we are heading to Ate Fresca's house. Okay.
Sabi ko,
Did I get that?
Sabi ko ang problema lang naman lagi yung pera. Bakit kang hindi uuwi? Eh, ang problema namin, babayaran ng yung kabaong.
Show them what I got you. Or what I'm eating.
Umuwi nga ako, wala naman ako pambayad na ng kabaong.
What are they?
Eh, sunod-sunod naman ho ang mga, sa amin.
Very nice. Bella's on the swim team. She's really, really good.
Kaya,
All the time.
hirap.
You swim all the time too?
Yeah,
Kaya kung ang tagal ko nung hindi nakakain. Sarap din sa atin, sa Batangas.
Where'd you drown? How'd you
Mga
drown?
5 taon.
She was wearing the floaty, right?
Mga, teka,
And she went under it
5
because
taon
she
ho
put her hands
siguro.
up.
But don't you know how to swim already, Kat?
2007
Oh, yeah?
yata, 2008 ang last ko.
And so I
You're
got
scared?
2007 ho,
Don't be
2007.
scared.
When I didn't roll the floating, and I tried to drown.
Eh talaga pag nauwi ako, napunta ng Batangas, ng Batangas ng Palengke.
Bella got you. Was she like a lifesaver?
Ay, naku, kahit takot na takot akong uminom ng palamig eh. Ay, wala.
Sorry,
Ano lang, Imodium
Get back to
lang,
you guys
diet,
later.
yung sa...
Iba ng